Hello everyone, I am Dr. Narcisa Ianopol and I would like to present to you another section of the affiliate marketing from start to your first $1,000 program. This is a part of our union projects. This is the course number 4, step-by-step affiliate marketing from like a product to your first $1,000. Because this is more complex and longer than the other parts and may not be of interest for each one of you, I decided to divide it in smaller parts. Before I start, I would like to emphasize once again that all these courses and training programs are for education and sharing knowledge only. I do not offer any business advice to anyone. If you want to learn more about disclosures and agreement privacy policy, you can click the link in the description below this video to access the chapter from my website iStory with Narcisa. If you want to know when these courses are published, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to my website. In the next few days, I will publish on YouTube and also on my website several mini videos with the parts of this course number 4, step-by-step affiliate marketing from like a product to your first $1,000. In the part 1, I will share with you a few things that I know how to be safer on the internet. Basic informations about cybersecurity. The title is Hackers Are the Same with Doctors. They are all humans. The part 2 will have several mini courses. They are at the chapter There are many ways to sell online physical and digital products. I will share with you in each mini course about the step-by-step procedure to sell online on the website, on Facebook, on Pinterest, Instagram, ClickBank, and so on. Thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned. See you in my next video.